Looks like a large carrying case, right? Well, there's more than meets the eye. Watch this. As you unlock the latch, the two sides open. 4 sturdy double legs easily unfold and lock safely into place. When it's all set, turn it over and look, it's now a large table. It's even sturdy enough to stand on. Fold down 2 legs and tuck under one side of the table. As you turn it over, it's now a narrow side table, perfect for small spaces. But wait, there's more in store. Pull out 2 benches to provide floor seating for 4. To extend the legs to their full height, simply unfold it from beneath. With the legs extended, it's a picnic table with 2 benches, perfect for on-the-go meals.